An ox came to a reedy pool to drink water. As he splashed heavily into the water, he crushed a young frog into the mud. The old frog soon missed the young frog and asked his brothers what had become of him. A huge monster stepped on our brother with one of his giant feet. Big was he, said the old frog, and he puffed himself up. Was he as big as this? Oh, much bigger, they cried. The frog puffed still more. The old frog said he couldn't have been bigger than this, and he puffed himself more. The little frogs all declared that he was so much bigger than what he puffed. The old frog kept puffing and puffing and puffing until he suddenly burst. The moral of the lesson is, don't attempt the impossible. Know your limitations and appreciate that might be somebody who is bigger, more intellectual, and knowledgeable than you are. Try to learn from them and appreciate the long span of experience that they've gone through, or know your limits of power and do not challenge those who have bigger and more size than you until you know the trick to it. Have a wonderful day.